Welcome to the second video in the series. If you remember from our first video, Allie created her spacecraft out of SOLIDWORKS apps for kids. She 3D printed the model, and then she sent it to the moon. In this video, we're going to take a look at Alexander's design and how he's going to design his spacecraft to go to Mars. Here we are in SOLIDWORKS xDesign, which is part of the 3D Experience platform. This is an online solid modeling program. It is similar to other modeling programs where you create sketches, geometry, dimensions, and then features. We start with the main body of the spacecraft, and now we're going to add some engines on the bottom. Alexander, you tried using the program a little bit before I took over, correct?
Yeah,
As a fourth grader, what did you think of it?
it was really confusing.
Alright, so it was probably a little over your head, right?
Yeah,
So this is probably more of a professional tool, I would say.
yeah.
As we can see here, we needed to create the piece that was going to connect all the pieces together, and then we wanted to create one of the boosters on the side. What did you think about the overall design since you came up with it?
It looked really good.
Right now we're going to go in here and create the flames on the bottom of the engines. And these, I ended up doing this a little wrong. I tried doing some fancy sketching that could create some 3D sketches. Then I found out I don't think there are 3D sketches in here yet. And so I had to take a different tack and create some revolves. Then we wanted to add the platform, the little plaque that had NASA on it from the original drawing. And we just had to center that up on the booster. Then from there, all we had to do was mirror it to the other side. All we had to do was bring it into the 3D printer slicer program, and then we could put it on the printer. Alright, here we are taking a look at the 3D printer. Obviously this is a time-lapse video. It took about 3 hours to print this spaceship. Alexander, what do you think about this thing?
It looks cool.
Yeah, so the 3D printer is taking the 3D model that we just created and it's putting it into the slicer program, then the slicer program puts the G-code over to the printer. The printer then goes layer by layer from the bottom up to create the part. Do you want to take your spaceship on a new space adventure?
Yeah,
And where do you want to go?
to Mars!
Hey guys, make sure you hit that like button and share the video. Peace!